The Clevertouch is an interactive display that is much more than a traditional projector or interactive whiteboard. You can connect to the internet directly or display your computer, a laptop, or any device. The Clevertouch Interactive Flat Panel allows Midland ISD teachers to perform actions previously impossible in our classrooms. When the teacher desktop computer is selected through one of the HDMI or VGA inputs, the teacher can interact with the computer at the Clevertouch board by simply touching the board. This allows the teacher or student to control the computer directly from the front of the room. In addition to using the teacher computer, the Clevertouch Flat Panel has its own computer built into the system called Lux. When the Lux input is selected, the teachers have the ability to use a built-in whiteboard program, web browser, and other apps available in the Clever Store. Advanced users can use mobile, wireless devices in the classroom to control the Lux system. For instance, a teacher can use a laptop or iPad to wirelessly control the Clevertouch whiteboard or browser from anywhere in the classroom. If they don't have a laptop or iPad, teachers can even use their iPhone or Android phone. Beyond simply controlling the Clevertouch from anywhere in the classroom, through the Clevershare system, users have the ability to mirror their device wirelessly to the Clevertouch Flat Panel so that the laptop or iPad audio and video stream directly from the mobile device to the Clevertouch for the whole class to see. This Clevershare feature also works with Chromebooks, iPhones, and Android phones, and multiple devices can be displayed on the Clevertouch simultaneously. Each of these features mentioned is included in its own detailed video linked below this video. Just choose a video that includes the features you want to learn about today: the Lux system, Clevershare, or whiteboard features.